next sound, again, is a trigraph. 3 letters making one sound. Okay, so here we have the E, A and R letters making the E sound. E, E, E. Okay, some people might pronounce it ear, ear. Okay, usually I say ear and not ear, but I think it's more phonetically correct to say ear. Okay, so that's how we'll say the words today, ear. Okay, so let's go through some words which have the ear sound. Okay, and the first one, again, can be the sound ear and it can be the word ear. Okay, ear. Here is my right ear. Okay, so 3 letters making one sound. We have the sound ear and we have the word ear. Okay, so again, some people might say ear. Okay, some people's accent might say ear or ear. Okay, both are correct, but I'm going to go with ear today, as I've said. Okay, next one is clear. Clear. Ear. Clear. Okay, some people might say clear. Ear, but I'm going to say clear. Ear. Clear. We've got 2 adjacent consonants here, making a sound. Ear. Clear. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. How many sounds? Ear. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they're still separate sounds, even though we're blending them quickly together. Ear. Clear. I will clear the table of clutter. Okay, I will clear it, or I will clear the windows. Okay, so next one is beard. Beard. Okay, beard. B-E-D. Beard. B-E-D. Beard. I wish I could grow a beard, but I'm not very good at it. B-E-D. Beard. Okay, B-E-D. 5 letters and 3 sounds. B-E-D. Beard. Okay, so again, some people might say ear, so it might be beard, or clear, or ear. Okay, but I'd say the more phonetically correct is ear, clear, and beard. Okay, so let's go for them all again together. Say it with me at home to practice your pronunciation. Ear, ear. Okay, the sound, trigraph, ear, or ear, sorry, and the word ear, ear, ear. Clear, ear, clear, and beard, beard, beard. Again, could be ear, clear, or beard, okay, depending on the accent. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.